Hello friends, I am Dr. Lokesh Jasrai and in this video we'll discuss on examine construct validity. So let us understand what is construct validity. Construct validity is a degree to which the measurement scale measures the theoretical constructs as it was intended to measure. Actually, it is content validity once you can already measure from literature review or from experts. Two type of construct validity are there. The first one is convergent validity and second is discriminant validity. So what is convergent validity? Convergent validity is the extent to which the construct converges to explain the variance of its terms. Or convergent validity is a type of construct validity that tells us how well the indicators, item or questions of a construct relate to each other, that is how strongly they converge to measure the same concept. The matrix used for evaluating a convergent validity is the average variance extracted AVE for all items on the each construct. To calculate the AVE, one has to square the loading of each indicators on a construct and then compute the mean value. An acceptable AVE is zero point 0.5 or higher, indicated that the construct explain at least 50% of the variance of its item. So your AVE value for each construct must be greater than 0.50 for its validity of a convergent validity. Now we take an example that how we can calculate convergent validity with the AVE. So we take an example of construct happiness. So there are four items there are four items of a happiness construct: HP1, HP2, HP3, and HP4. So their loading score note down for each item like 0.709, 0.926, 0.835, and 0.840, which already computed by the software. Make it square of each loading score and then average of it. So the sum of all these loading scores is 2.76. Total number of items are 4. So the AVE for this happiness construct is 0.690. So you can calculate the convergent validity with the help of AVE by using this formula: summation of auto loading scores, square it, and then divided by number of items. And you can tally with the software results also. It is the same 0.690. And the second criteria to calculate the AVE with the help of lambda and error terms. So we take the same construct again, happiness construct HP1, HP2, HP3, and HP4, and then we note down their auto loading score, lambda value for each item. We make it lambda square and find out the error terms. And we are using this formula: sum of lambda square divided by sum of lambda square plus sum of error. To execute this one, we open the Excel and see the calculation. So this is four items of happiness construct HP1 to HP4. Their respective loading score is here. So we calculate the lambda square of each lambda value, and then we calculate the error. So 1 minus lambda square is called error, and then we make it total sum of all the values, sum of lambda, and similarly sum of lambda square and error terms. Now we use this formula: sum of lambda square. So sum of lambda square is this value divided by sum of lambda square, again this value, plus sum of error. So sum of error is this, and once you press enter, the value is 0.690. This is the same as computed by the software and we found in our results also. So in this way you can calculate the AVE with the help of lambda and with the help of error terms. Now the very important point is the construct loading is the most important measurements, as the further calculations depend on the construct loading. So now in this video we have discussed this convergent validity with the help of AVE. So kindly subscribe the channel for more videos related to the topic. Thank you so much.